Do you ever wonder why movie previews always have the best scenes in the previews? And when you go watch the movie, you're like, oh, okay, so they put like literally all of the good scenes in the previews, and the rest of the story just kind of filled in the holes. That's kind of the same concept of how you write, except you want to get a little bit deeper, you want to be more complex, you want to have a lot more emotion, a lot more, excitement in your writing of your story. But you need to avoid just coming in with, one day, once upon a time. Don't do that. Do what the movies do, in that they start with a bang. Whether it's a romance and the couple just knock into each other with, coffee spilled or something, or maybe someone gets their car stolen, or, whatever it is. They start with a bang. Start with a bang. Whatever your story is, start with something that is going to hook your reader and make them want to turn the page. If you have bored them and all they're doing is walking down the sidewalk, they're not going to want to pick that book up again, and they may not turn the page. So make sure that you hook them fast and keep them turning the page. All right, I'm Sydney Brown, and I hope you will subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.